Tests, timetables, teachers, schools. What do these all words have in common? They are all connected with education. Each of us has been to school. Some people go there to get knowledge, others just attend lessons. But the truth is that everybody is connected with education. Education doesn't stop when you hear the last bell. And finally, after all the hard work, get your certificate. Education is limitless because it is the process of getting new knowledge. Let's have a look at the education system in details. There are some words that can help us. Try to guess their meaning. 1. Certificate. The document you get when you finish your education. 2. Degree. The qualification you get when you graduate from the university. 3. Report card. All your marks that are printed out for your parents. 4. Timetable. A schedule of the lessons. 5. Test. List of questions that checks the knowledge of the subject. 6. Take notes. Write down the important information. 7. Revise. Look through the topics you have already learned. 8. Study group. Several students learning together. What's the education to you?